Throttle active.
Hello everyone, again, I'm at the Sterling Field in just north of Worcester where I live, and I'm going to, this is the second flight of the FT Viggen. I've painted it with red and black trim and gray underbody, and so since I painted it, this is going to be the first flight. Next week is the Freefall RC Podcast Helifest, and for the noontime demo, Steve has invited everyone to bring their FT Viggens, and we're going to do a group fly. So I'm just making sure this flies before I take it down. So what I do is I don't have a 6S, but I have two 3S 2200 packs, and so they're running in series to make 6S, and so the batteries are connected through this dual connector here that I made. And so first let's get the radio turned on. Throttle disabled, that's a good sign. Okay, one last check before I launch it, and then have a week's worth of repairs. That's up, right, left, looks good. Full rates, mid rates, low rates. Last time I flew it on mid rates, it was fine.
Throttle active.
Throttle check. Ooh, that was close. It's a lot of weight to get up in the air, and I didn't get full throttle, so. Wow, this thing's fast. I need more up elevator. Here's his high rates. That's too much. Medium rates back, I can control it this way. Wow. Don't think it was meant to go that fast. Okay. Next flight will be at the Fun Fly. Gliding in.
1 minute.
Holy cow. I'm shaking. Okay. So I put in a new ESC because on the maiden flight it sounded kind of sketchy. So it sounds okay. And sounds really nice, actually.